functions in the organization are integrated. So if you are the first point of contact for the customer is a sales department, obviously. The next organization or department which comes into picture is the inventory department. Next is the production planning, then purchasing. So this is all backward integration what we are talking about. Okay, the purchasing department will contact the vendors and the vendors. The aim of the purchasing department will be to select the right vendors. Okay, that means the vendors who will supply to the organization the raw materials at the cheapest price and of the highest quality. So the purchasing department will invite quotations from the vendors, and based upon the past history or their relationship with the vendors, they will enter into an agreement with them for the supply of raw materials. So once the raw materials are delivered, we have the finance department coming into picture. The finance department will pay the amount to the vendors who have supplied the raw materials. So like this, you can see that the whole business processes are integrated. Okay, so before the advent of ERP, what used to happen is we used to have small time softwares running standalone on each of the departments. Okay, so we used to have a different software in the sales and different software for the purchase department, for the finance department, or the inventory department. So the data compilation part was a very difficult process. Whenever the management wanted any information, it used to take a lot of time to compile the data. So because of this time lag, the decision making process was affected, and therefore the business also got affected, with the result that the customers were not being served well. Okay, you can see if anything goes haywire in the entire process, the customer will be the loser, and then the business will suffer. Okay, so it will result in unnecessary delays and improper deliveries, etc. in the previous example what we have seen. So this will be offset by having a single software which runs across the organization, right? So the ERP serves ERP as an application package, runs across the organization. Okay, so you can see all the functions in the organizations are integrated, and having an ERP package would help because a single software will be running across this organization, and a data entered, let us say at sales department, it will run across all the functions. It can be used by the people at any departments for their own practical purposes. Okay, so this is the reason why ERP has been installed by many of the clients. Okay, because of the integration it offers with the other functions. Okay, the aim of any ERP package is to optimize the functions across the enterprise. So now coming to SAP. Okay, under the ERP application package which we were talking about, we have various products in the market. Okay, the examples are SAP, Oracle, you have PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, etc. So these are all the ERPs which are available in the market. So now let us take a look at what is SAP and the history of SAP, how it has evolved over a period of time, and why it has an edge over the other ERPs. So everybody is clear? You are able to listen me?
Yes.
Yeah. So now we'll have a look at SAP. SAP stands for Systems, Applications and Products in Data Processing. Okay, it was founded in the year 1972 by 5 German people. The headquarters of SAP is in Germany. Okay, it's the name of the company as well as the product name. Okay, SAP basically comprises of a number of fully integrated modules which will cover almost every aspect of the business. Okay, like we have seen in the previous example what I have shown you, all the functions in the organizations like the sales department, the finance department, the purchasing department, production planning department. So each department will be covered through something called as a module in SAP. Okay, we'll have a look at that as we go forward now. Yeah, so now looking at the evolution of SAP, as I told you, it was invented in the year 1972. Okay, so when it was installed, actually, it was invented actually, they used to follow the R by 1 principle of architecture. R stands for real time, okay, and it has slowly evolved over a period of time, and now they use the R by 3 technology. Okay, it's a client server architecture. R stands for real time and 3 stands for 3-tier structure. Okay, previously in the 80s we had the R by 2 structure. Okay, it has only 2-tier structure, that is the client server. Okay, now we'll see what is R by 2 and what is R by 3 and how it has really helped SAP grow. You can see from the year when R by 3 was installed, you can see the jump which SAP has taken from 1992 to 1999.